Hi everyone, I am Pradeep Kumar. I am working as Additional General Manager in BHEL. My experience with EON has been perfect. When we started looking for a home elevator, we shortlisted so many companies, but finally we zeroed in on EON based on their the aesthetics and the technical specification and the price. We are really impressed with the interiors of the lift, and we have got very good service from EON also. They are very supportive. Whenever there is a problem, they attend it promptly. And I have also entered into an MC with them. When we were looking for an elevator, we were very particular about the interior design. We were looking for the floor lights with all the pebbles and all those things, and we were looking for a mirror finish for the interiors and with golden handrails. So this is one company. We had seen many elevators, but this is the one which impressed us the most. One thing I liked about the elevator is it is very compact. It doesn't occupy much space, and it doesn't make any noise. That is very cool actually, because most of the elevators, they make a lot of noise, but even though we have installed it inside the home, we don't feel any disturbance. ഞാൻ മലയാളിയാണ്. ഞാൻ എല്ലാ മലയാളികൾക്കും ഈ ലിഫ്റ്റ് റെക്കമെൻഡ് ചെയ്യും. കാരണം ഞാൻ കർണാടക ബാംഗ്ലൂരാണെങ്കിലും ഐ വാസ് റിയലി ഇംപ്രസ്ഡ് വിത്ത് ദിസ്. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ നമ്മുടെ എല്ലാ കേരളയിലത്തെ കസ്റ്റമേഴ്സിനോടും ഇയോൺ എലിവേറ്റേഴ്സിന് പോകാൻ വേണ്ടി റെക്കമെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു.